Yelling now, but punched and kicked our manager, broke 2 monitors, got denied boarding for her behavior.
Is she intoxicated?
No, she was on a flight that it took off, had a maintenance problem, had the air return. Yeah. So as she was boarding the second flight, she got upset. And it went from there.
194, what's 1012 with the subject?
Broke 2 monitors at gate 125.
Sorry.
Jesus.
What?
What happened?
What happened is that I had a breakdown because this air.
Go ahead. Just keep talking.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for this flight after 45 minutes. That one was here in the road after all the time that we need to wait, right? I was.
Get off the phone and tell us what happened. Tell us what happened. Forget about it.
It's just it's my mom. It's my mom.
Okay, so get off
Mira, madre.
How old are you?
She's 75.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay, you can talk without your mom. So what happened? Did you hit a
Mami,
monitor?
quédate aquí en el teléfono. Porque esta gente, yo no sé qué es lo que traen con los puertorriqueños, yo no sé qué es, ¿verdad? Pero está bien cabrón lo que está. Quiero que te quede el teléfono porque llegaron 2 oficiales y yo no voy a hablar sin que nadie me escuche, man. Porque tú sabes cómo son las oficiales y sabes cómo son esta gente, man. So this is what happened. I get into a breakdown because I was talking with my mom at the hallway in a louder voice. So one of the guys come to me and is screaming at me that the people don't need to hear my conversation, which is I'm agree, all right? But right now I'm really frustrated. I am in medications just because my brother is dying. He's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow. It's not my problem and not my fault.
So what else happened?
What else happened? That I get angry and I hit all the computers and everything because I told them, okay, I can. You kick me out of the flight. Okay, that's perfect. But give me my money to buy another ticket in another flight, right? Because it's not my mistake that after 45 minutes, the Southwest be on the air, go back to MCO because one of the tires is damaged.
So what else after you hit the monitors? Then what happened?
Nothing happens. I calling you. Nothing happens. I'm being here.
Okay. Did you break a monitor?
Yes, I think because I hit them with my phone. Mira, right here. Mira.
You hit who with the phone?
I hit the monitors with my phone. I hit the whole monitors with my phone.
And put the phones down.
At this moment, the situation changes completely. Up until now, she has described herself as a stranded passenger under extraordinary emotional pressure, a cancelled journey, medication, and the possibility of losing her brother before she can reach him. Those circumstances may explain why she became overwhelmed, but they do not erase what she has just admitted. In her own words, she became angry and struck the airport monitors with her phone. That distinction matters. There is a difference between understanding someone's emotional breakdown and excusing the damage that follows. The officers no longer have only an employee's accusation, they now have a direct admission from the person involved. But another question remains. Was this a deliberate act of destruction, a brief loss of control, or part of a larger physical confrontation? The answer will depend not on the most emotional version of the story, but on surveillance footage, witness statements, the condition of the equipment, and what happened immediately before the officers arrived.
Put the phones down. Look at 10:15 now.
Huh?
Don't resist.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Turn your hand. There you go. So it's a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah.
That's going to be more comfortable for you that way, okay?
Okay.
And then turn this one this way.
Okay.
Keep turning. There you go.
Right there?
Yep.
Okay.
It'll be more comfortable for you.
Okay.
The arrest happens quickly after that admission, and this is where two separate issues begin to overlap. The first is whether the officers had a reasonable basis to detain her. Based on the reported damaged property and her acknowledgement that she struck the monitors, they appear to have more than a vague suspicion. The second issue, however, is how the arrest is carried out. From this point forward, she repeatedly says that the restraints hurt, that she is not resisting, and that the officers are creating bruises. The officers repeatedly respond that she is moving, pulling, or attempting to manipulate the handcuffs. Body camera footage can document the exchange, but it does not automatically settle the dispute. Camera angle, physical positioning, verbal commands, and the amount of resistance visible on screen all matter. A lawful arrest does not make every use of force automatically appropriate, but complaints of pain also do not, by themselves, prove misconduct. Both questions must be evaluated independently.
1 to 10.
Ma, me arrestaron. Me van a llevar presa por nada, mami.
No, that's not so.
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. We'll settle that out.
Stop moving.
You want?
I want to press charge too.
Okay,
I don't
okay,
know
we'll
who's
get you to write a statement,
Stop
okay?
moving.
Stop moving, just stay still.
Why I am arrested?
Stop. Don't do that.
Because you broke their monitors.
Don't do that.
Yeah, and they broke my heart, and they broke my flight.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime, Dad?
No, it's
No,
not.
that is not a crime, right?
It's not.
That is not a crime.
No. It's not a
To
crime.
mess up with people's life, that is not a crime.
It's not a crime.
No problem.
That is not a crime.
It's not, ma'am.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop moving.
I had my medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that to,
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on, don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to
I
do?
want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. There it is. I'm right down there. You can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down
you're
there.
proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If you-
Stop
if you-
squirming your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming.
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing,
keep
you
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You're hurting me, man. I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're scrubbing your arms and you're trying to get out of these handcuffs.
Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
You know, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs?
All the bruises.
Check. Hold it.
I got her. Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, hermano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing force on me? I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All
I'm
the way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way to
See
the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that you
Stop.
that you're gonna take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm be resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
Yo.
So I'll come get him.
Yeah. How do we get out of here?
like the door to remain closed. Stepping in. Open it. Yeah,
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop pulling me.
You are pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. Oh, abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. Those abusers.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want, that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're gonna have problems.
For kicking him and punching him and breaking.
Cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here too.
Yeah, actually, hold on. Let me back it up a little.
Right there.
Sorry.
This is her getting off the plane all the way through, punching.
Oh, you got the whole.
I got everything.
Yeah, there's her kicking in.
You wanna press charges?
Well, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you want
You know how to work Axon?
Yeah.
I just talked to my station manager, Raphael, and yes.
Okay, can you,
Do you want us to send this to you?
Okay, and apparently she broke her.
Send it to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you guys a request. You're gonna get a link, and then you just follow the steps on that. All right.
I'm gonna go grab our money. You don't know where we're at.
Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's our money. Our money's got everything. Got the ID.
Let me
and all.
grab can you bring some statements up to him?
Yeah. I think. Oh yeah. Because.
She was like
Tell her
dragging me
doesn't have
along. I was like, what?
Yeah.
That woman, she wanted to hit everybody there.
Does she? Yeah.
Oh my God. She damaged 2 computers. Unbelievable.
So we got
Thank
criminal
you guys.
We have criminal mischief out there.
Yeah, if we can find out how much, it's just another additional charge we're going to charge her with. Because we just need to know how much it's going to cost to repair the computers. And we're going to add that in. And I'm sure computers are cheap, so another felony.
Yeah, they're very, very, very unbelievable. Thank you. Good night.
By this point, the incident is no longer being treated as a simple disturbance at an airline counter. Employees say there are multiple camera angles showing the woman leaving the aircraft, striking property, and allegedly kicking or punching someone. Officers begin collecting statements and discussing the cost of repairing the damaged computers because the value of the property may affect the seriousness of the charge. But notice what has not yet happened. The evidence has not been fully reviewed, the repair cost has not been confirmed, and the competing accounts have not been tested. The officer's conversation reflects an active investigation, not a final judgment. Surveillance footage may be powerful, but it must still be examined in context: what occurred before the recorded violence, who was struck, whether the contact was intentional, and whether every claimed injury or damaged item can be directly connected to her actions. In true crime cases, early statements often sound definitive. The actual legal picture is usually built later, one verified detail at a time.
What medication is that?
Sertralite.
Where's that at? Where's your purse at? Where's your purse at?
The belongings that you take from me.
And the backpack? Or still up there?
What upstairs? What is upstairs?
Did you leave something upstairs?
I don't need anything upstairs. You're supposed to take my keys. You take my phone, you take my dress, you take my everything.
I'm still on. Oh, sweet. She says she has medication there. That medication in there, well, you'll be able to take at the jail. Huh? No. We'll put it in her property. So I'm not going to administer her medication. We'll let the nurse do that.